Oh, oh man, I need to cook breakfast. This is leftover. Well, we'll just sit here. I think I need a vacation. We will. Hey guys, what a game here, and I'm back. Oops, back with the first Minecraft video. I decided I wanted something special, so I'm doing a hotel map. Link will be in the description. I don't know. Car. It's pretty fancy. Pretty fancy. Really fancy. I haven't seen inside, so may a surprise come to me. Not water. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go check inside. Hang on. I need to host on LAN World because it. Do you hear that? I don't think you. Room 1. It's just really nice. And so on. It's probably. So. Oh. Wait. First we gotta check in by a bat. Bat. Hello, bats. You know where the check-in place is? Nope. Okay, where is the check-in place? Where is it? Where is it? Come here. Or, whatever. La 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 la. I think I need a sword. No one's here. I'll be defending. Okay. I've just tested something out, and here's the pool. I better get my swim trunks on. Swim trunks. Whoa! Swim trunks, swim trunks. Let's see. There's like cabanas, I guess, kinda. Really? Hang on. Yeah. I had a cabana once. I guess the bar? Spawning some villagers. People need to see this hotel. Yo man, here. I have an iron sword. Bound. There's a bartender. People swimming in the pool. Okay, perfect. Women's, men's. Okay. Wait. Okay, let's go check upstairs. Okay, let's go up this way. Why not? Let's get a better. Let's get a bloody knife. Let's see. I come into the room and let's see. No. I think this would be nice if. No. I think that. Hang on. Nope. They don't all look the same. Goes up. Let's find a room. Let's just pick a room. Let's pick room 20. Let's make it fancier. Let's make it with Rubier. This is from a mod I have. I get a roommate. Okay, nice. I could have. You know what? I'm gonna change my room. I'm gonna be right here. Top room. Top room. Let's get something. Let's get a chair. This is from. Okay, perfect. Let's put this. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's move this. Okay. I can finally sleep. I got a roommate. Yeah, borrowed. Okay. Let's get, this could be boring for you, but I'm just making it nice. Okay, perfect. I guess. Wait. One more thing. Didn't even work. Whatever. Okay, let's get this party started. I better not bring my safety knife to the pool. Okay. Let's get our swim trunks on. Let's add it. Not on that, so we won't need food. I didn't have them on. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Whoa! Boom. That's how you jump off a pool. Oh, is this my room? Yes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for this video. See ya.